Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm out here in Florida Bay to show you the brand new Aviara 32. It's a phenomenal boat. It's a 2020. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's got a really beautiful sun pad back here, and you also have these backrests that also turn into seats, so you can hang out. You could actually have about 6 to 8 people just hanging on the back of the boat very comfortably. Very cool. As we move into the boat, it's got L-shaped seating. So it's a large L-shaped seating all around with really nice storage underneath, recessed speakers throughout, drink holders everywhere on the boat. So we move back to the starboard side. You've got a refrigerator with a little small freezer in it. Holds a 5-pound bag of ice. Very, very nice size. You've got a large sink, faucet. You've got a well for liquor bottles, wine bottles in there. So really nice galley area set up. As we move to the helm area, very large double wide seat. You've got the digital throttle and shift. You've got the joystick, which is fantastic. Has sky hook in it. Locks you right into place. Fantastic option. And then also docking doesn't get any easier at all. When you go to dock this boat, I can go sideways with it. Fantastic. Plus autopilot. Just a great feature on this boat. The helm is very cool. We got 2 large speakers right up there for the captain, which is great. But very clean, very neat. You've actually got a Simrad and a Garmin on here as well. And then as we move to the head area, it's a very large head. A lot of storage down there as well, a lot of headroom in it. So height-wise, not an issue for anybody of any height in there. And let's move to the bow. So you've got a very cool bow area up here. Seating, you've got a table that fits in here, so you can put 5 to 6 adults comfortably sitting here. You got a remote control for the stereo, speakers, drink holders everywhere on it, grab bars. This is a really cool boat. So if you'd like any information or would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.